With promises of breaking the barrier between you and your audience, Sennheiser has just released their Profile, a compact USB microphone that's as reliable as it's accessible. With groundbreaking features that won't burn a hole through your wallet, the Profile does seem like a dynamic tool anyone needs for the streaming, gaming, or any voice-related setup. However, the Rode NT USB Plus is a pretty solid competitor in terms of space, features, and price tag, which makes us wonder which one of these would be a better pick for value for money. Find out in our video today. A general stereotype in the audio industry in terms of microphones is XLR microphones simply sound better. While not arguing against that, it's not always a requirement, especially nowadays when USB microphone technology is far more advanced right now. This brings us to Sennheiser Profile, a plug-and-play USB microphone from Sennheiser that's designed for overall simplicity. No need for any additional software or any third-party integrations, just simple, streamlined, and intuitiveness pours the Sennheiser quality audio acquisition into a microphone that does not require going too deep with the details in order to capture incredible sound. This is beneficial for people who require a minimalist setup, and the controls are all situated in the front of the microphone with LED light rings that indicate active features. There's also a handy headphone output on the back which allows for seamless microphone monitoring, which you can mix and match to your heart's content and monitor your audio in real time. The microphone also features a robust metal body which makes it feel premium and ensures durability, while coming with a solid desktop stand that provides a good amount of stability and prevents wobbling. On the other hand, the NT USB Plus has more of a classic design that comes with an eye-catching black matte finish with metal construction. The microphone also comes with a detachable pop filter that blocks out the plosives and sibilances, making your voice sound more clear without auditory distortions messing them up. For the stand, the NT USB Plus microphone comes with a desktop stand which can be easily adjusted to the desired height. The build quality is solid as the microphone feels durable and well made. For audio acquisition, both the Sennheiser Profile and the Rode NT USB Plus perform exceptionally well. The Sennheiser Profile features a cardioid condenser capsule which provides excellent off-axis rejection and captures clear and detailed sound. The microphone also comes with a mixed control, allowing you to balance the microphone and device levels. The Rode NT USB Plus, on the other hand, features a studio-grade condenser capsule with a tight cardioid puller pattern, which provides excellent noise rejection and captures sound with incredible clarity. The microphone also comes with a high-gain Revolution preamp and Aphex audio processing, which helps to eliminate background noise and produce a clean, crisp sound. In terms of features, the Rode NT USB Plus has a slight advantage over the Sennheiser Profile. The Rode NT USB Plus comes with a high-power headphone output with zero latency monitoring and versatile controls, making it easier to monitor your recordings and adjust the sound. The microphone also features USB-C connectivity with high-resolution analog-digital conversion, which ensures that your recordings sound great on any device. The Sennheiser Profile, on the other hand, comes with a soft-touch mute button with an LED ring to indicate when it's engaged. It also has a gain control with an LED ring to indicate power and audio clipping, which helps to ensure that your recordings are never too loud or too quiet. Now, which one would be the better pick in terms of value for money? When it comes to price, the Sennheiser Profile is the more affordable option with a price tag of $130 that makes it accessible to most users. The Profile streaming set, which includes a boom arm and mic pouch, is also reasonably priced, making it a good choice for those who want a complete recording setup. The Rode NT USB Plus, on the other hand, is more expensive, that carries a price tag of $169, which makes it a better choice for professional users or those who are willing to invest more in a high-quality microphone. While it may be more expensive, the additional features and advanced audio processing make it a worthwhile investment for those who demand the best sound quality. When it comes down to choosing between the Sennheiser Profile and the Rode NT USB Plus, it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a high-quality USB microphone at an affordable price, the Sennheiser Profile is an excellent option. It offers an incredible sound quality, a sleek design, and a variety of useful features at a mid-range price point. However, if you're willing to spend a bit more and want a microphone with advanced features and the best possible sound quality, the Rode NT USB Plus is a supreme choice altogether. Ultimately, the choice between these two microphones comes down to personal preferences, needs, and budget. Both the Sennheiser Profile and Rode NT USB Plus are excellent value for money microphones that can take your content creation, streaming, or podcasting to the next level. So that was our take regarding the comparison between Sennheiser Profile versus Rode NT USB Plus. Which one of these microphones would be your go-to pick for affordable audio acquisition? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.